Welcome to Computics Technologies. In today's video we will learn about how to connect Metamask in React.js. Before we start, make sure you have npm and node installed on your system. Create a folder and open that folder. And now, to create React app, run this command. npx create React app myapp. Myapp is the name of the project, as I already have created the project. And inside root folder you will find folder with the name src, open that folder and from that folder open app.js file. And now run another command. npm ethers. This will install ethers for your project. The ethers.js library aims to be a complete and compact library for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain and its ecosystem. Import use effect and use state from React. Import contract and providers from ethers. First of all, we will call useState. UseState is a hook that allows you to have state variables in functional components. You pass the initial state to this function and it returns a variable with the current state value, not necessarily the initial state, and another function to update this value. We are starting with a false state if the wallet is installed. And a null state if an account is connected. And now we will call useEffect to tell React to run your effect function after flushing changes to the DOM. Metamask injects a global API into websites visited by its users at window.ethereum. This API allows websites to request users' Ethereum accounts, read data from blockchains the user is connected to, and suggest that the user sign messages and transactions. Create a function connect wallet for remote procedure call to Ethereum via Metamask. It returns a promise that resolves to the result of the method call. Now we will create a button to check that Metamask is connected or not. If yes, it will show the connected account's address. Otherwise, it will show a button to connect to Metamask. To run the project, enter the command npm run start. You can see a button here. Click this button and it will open Metamask pop-up to connect the account. And there you go, it successfully connected the account. You can see the address of the connect account is exactly the same as of Metamask account.